Former Scientific and Technological Research Council of Turkey, TÜBİTAK, Vice President Hasan Palaz and 7 other suspects have been acquitted in a case looking into claims that bugging devices were allegedly found in then Prime Minister Recep Tayyip Erdoğan's office, in 2011. In his remarks on Twitter, lawyer SDDK Filai said Palaz has been acquitted of all charges and released from prison. The Ankara 7th High Criminal Court ruled that no evidence had been found of wiretapping with the aim of political espionage, violating the privacy of interpersonal communication and recording personal conversation without permission. In their indictment, public prosecutor Durak Çetin sought up to 36 years imprisonment for the officers, stating that conversations in Erdoğan's office were illegally monitored between November 24, 2011 and December 29, 2011. The court acquitted Palaz alongside 7 other suspects, including Mehmet Yüksel, former head of then Prime Minister Erdoğan's security. Zeki Bulur, Ahmet Türer, Seyit Saydam, Harun Yavuz, İbrahim Sarı, and Hurşit have also been acquitted in the same case. However, the court decided to sentence suspects Ilker Usta and Sedat Zavar to 1 year and 6 months in prison for violating the confidentiality of communication and to 6 years in prison for seizing secret documents. One of the lawyers for the defense, Hasan Hüseyin Tapnar, said, "There has been a negative perception regarding my client, as if he was there in the room where the bugs were found. My clients had to perform the duties asked of him and specified by regulations." In the case, NSIC's email correspondence about buying technical equipment is made to look like evidence of a crime. These people are in charge of technical issues. Of course they will have such correspondence, he said. The public learned about the incident 11 months later, when Erdoğan publicly announced on a live TV program in December 2012 that bugging devices were found in his office in his Ankara home. However, he failed to specify when the devices were found. Security units of the police found those devices. They were placed inside the office in my house. Such things occurred despite all measures taken to prevent them, he stated. The investigation into acts of espionage started 2.5 years ago and the prosecutor of the case has been changed 3 times. No concrete evidence against the suspects has been found. The 72-page indictment in the case is based on newspaper clippings from government dailies, a report by the National Intelligence Organization, MT, a report by the Prime Ministry's Inspection Board and the statements of a secret witness who reportedly works at a company that sells bugging devices. The breadcrumb trail of the bugs reaches Reza Zarrab. During the hearing, lawyer Mehmet Yüksel said the devices had been purchased from the firm ATH without giving its full name. According to Yüksel, one of the customers of the ATH firm that produces audio surveillance bugs was Ali Polat. Polat is known to be an associate of Reza Zarrab. Zarrab was accused of being the ringleader of a money laundering and gold smuggling ring in Turkey established to circumnavigate sanctions against Iran. He was among 21 people including the sons of 3 then ministers, a district mayor and other high-profile figures who were arrested as part of the operation that went public on December 17, 2013, in a series of simultaneous police raids. Report prepared about bugs were found to be made to order. A report prepared about the bugging devices found in former Prime Minister Erdoğan's office was proved in court to have been doctored to match dates and incriminate police officers. Mehmet Yüksel, the defendant's lawyer, said in October that the defense would lodge a complaint against TÜBİTAK University of Economics and Technology professor Tevfik Demir for providing expertise contrary to the facts, hiding, altering, or destroying criminal evidence, malpractice, and slander. After filing the complaint, Yüksel made a statement in front of the Ankara courthouse stating that 2 years and 10 days after the bugging devices were found, Demir was asked to prepare a report in which the dates of when the bugs were found matched the dates when the police searched the premises and found the bugs.